Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating system requirements and downloading virtualization software. This ensures GarageBand will run smoothly. Next, create a new VM configured for Mac OS with at least 4 CPU cores and 8 GB RAM. Allocate 40 GB disk to avoid space issues. Once the VM is created, attach the Mac OS installer image and enable EFI or UEFI boot options so the installer runs. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS, then boot the VM to begin the Mac OS installation process. You proceed through the Mac OS install inside the virtual machine. Format the virtual disk as apps when prompted for best compatibility. After installation completes, finish the Mac OS initial setup, create a local user, and immediately run software update to reach the latest version that supports GarageBand. Once updated, open the App Store and sign in with your Apple ID so you can download apps. Make sure the VM has shared clipboard and drag and drop if you want to move files between host and Mac OS. You download GarageBand from the App Store and install it like any Mac OS app. Grant microphone and audio permissions when prompted so recordings work. Once launched, open GarageBand preferences to select your input and output devices and set sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz for stability. To export projects, use File Share and save to a shared folder. If audio is choppy or missing, make sure VM guest tools are installed and consider USB pass-through for a dedicated audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.